Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been absent for a minute. I was sick, as most of y'all know. I am back to at least 98% better. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am going to share with y'all, Boxycharm and Kate Somerville had a giveaway on their YouTube channel. I was one of the lucky winners. There was 3 of us. So I wanted to show y'all what they sent me. Now, I've not used Kate Somerville. I've used the Exfoliate one time. Other than that, I've never used their products. But they sent a whole box full of goodies. I mean, whole box full. They did send a card. Inside it does say, Rebecca, congratulations on winning our giveaway with Boxycharm. We hope you love the products as much as we do. Love the Kate Somerville team. So that was pretty cool. I've never won anything from Boxycharm except the pleasure of paying them every month for my boxes. So I was very excited for it. I do want to learn how to use some of these things. But the first thing I have is the Kate Somerville Plus Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer, Firm and Brighten. That is what that looks like. If y'all can see it. Alright. And this retails for $90. I can tell you the products in this were very expensive. I'm excited to try them, and at the same time, I don't know if I want to because of how expensive they are. But that is what that looks like. The next thing I got was the Retinol Firming Eye Cream. This is what that looks like. This is an $85 eye cream, which just kills me. That is what it looks like. I did move things around. I am now in front of my window to help with lighting, since I really despise the ring light. I know it makes everything look better and everything, but it's a pain in the butt. Alright, and then I got the Intense Exfoliating Treatment, Exfoliate. This is also an $85 product. That is what that looks like. If any of y'all have ever tried any of these products, comment down below and let me know how you feel about them, how they work for you. The next thing I got was the Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment. That is what it looks like. This is a $58 value. It does come with a little pump. I can tell you that this is the only thing that leaked out in my box on the way to me. Then I got the Exfoliate Cleaner Daily Foaming Wash. That is what it looks like. This is a $38 value. I'm super excited to try this when my Boxylux comes in with my PMD cleaner in it. That is one of the things I'm waiting on to try this. Then I got the Acne Treatment. And this is $26. I know that Samantha will greatly appreciate using these since she does have sensitive skin. It is a very liquidy consistency. It's almost like water. So, like I said, I'm going to have to learn how to use these products. But I'm glad that I have them. Then I got the Liquid Exfoliate Triple Acid Resurfacing Treatment. This also retails for $58. It is in a nice glass bottle with a pump sprayer. And the last thing I got was the Dermal Quench Liquid Lift Advanced Hydration Treatment. And this retails for $95. This is one of the things that I'm most excited to try. I am over 40, so lines and wrinkles do bother me. But that is what that looks like. So for this winning giveaway box from Boxycharm and Kate Somerville, my box retailed for $535, which I think is almost absolutely crazy. It was a very nice giveaway. I was very surprised when I found out that I won. I will put some pictures in to show you the giveaway post, and then on Instagram where they did acknowledge that I was one of the winners. So that was my Kate Somerville Boxycharm win. I ended up getting 3, 6, 7, 8 products, all from the Kate Somerville line. So yeah, if you've used any of these, comment down and let me know what you think of them. I know the Exfoliate is a very intense treatment. Like I said, I have used that once. And I just don't want to burn my face off. So if you have any tips and tricks, please share them with me. I'd greatly appreciate it. And that was my video. I just wanted to share what I had won. And now that I have, I can actually start using these products. I will be doing a review on them to see how they work for me and my skin tone or skin type. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching the video. Please do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel out. I would greatly appreciate it. We are working on watch hours, so if anytime anybody is bored or housework, I do have a playlist up and made. You can run it at any time. My husband runs it at night while we sleep, so do try to help me get my watch time. I'd greatly appreciate it. And until next time, as always, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.